Hey guys, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials. In this video, we will be discussing how to restart frozen screen on PS5 console. Now, before starting, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you do that. Now, talking about the frozen issue, it is actually quite popular, but we have luckily few solutions for you guys to try out. So the first thing is press the power button until the PS5 system beeps twice to turn the system off. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Press and hold the power button for at least 7 seconds, only releasing it after you hear the second of two beeps. Connect a DualSense wireless controller via a USB cable and press the PS or basically the PlayStation button on the controller, and then your system should now be in safe mode. Once you are in safe mode, please select option 5, rebuild database. Now what this is going to be doing is that it is going to be recovering the corrupted files and just rebuilding its database, and hopefully it will fix up your issue. Now in case it didn't, let us know in the comments. We will try our best to solve your issue. And with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel if you feel like our videos are providing you the values you are looking for. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.